Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your referral rewards on Robinhood. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've invited someone to use Robinhood and you're expecting some sort of referral reward. Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But now the first thing that we're going to do is that we're first going to log onto our Robinhood app, which looks like this right here. And then on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on the icon that looks like a person. Next from here, you want to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand corner. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on referral rewards, which is located right underneath transfers. So as you can see, you now have two different types of rewards at this time to actually go ahead and obtain when it comes to inviting people to use Robinhood. But in order to check your referral rewards, this is a really important step, guys. On the upper right hand corner, you want to click on past. So as you can see, I've only received one reward here and it's already been claimed. It's a bonus stock for $5.24 for 1 share of DNR. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check your past referral rewards. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone.